My name is Julie Cardoza and this is Zach. Zach holds the world record for making the most slam dunks. My husband Ed and I have had Zach since he was 8 weeks old. We got him in 1988 and he's the first parrot that we got together. We realized that Zachary had a lot of talent after we trained him his first trick. He actually learned to ride a bicycle. But the slam dunking is something he really took to. He enjoys carrying the ball, making the basket, and he just likes to practice over and over again. When people see the birds, the first thing they say is, "Wow, look at those parrots. The colors are amazing." And they're just so enthusiastic about seeing the birds. Wait till they see the tricks. These guys are just so incredible that they love to show off. When people show a reaction, when they get excited, the birds get more excited too. Now that he's broken the Guinness World Record, we're hoping that this will bring a lot of recognition to what we do. My husband Ed and I love these birds so much, we also realize how much work and dedication is to taking care of them. We'd love to house our own birds in a sanctuary and bring others in desperate need of homes. It's just an amazing life living with them because they are so smart and they add so much complexity to our lifestyle. But people should really think very hard and do their research before attempting to get a parrot like this as a pet.